two bad boys that we took off. Borla. Yep.
Very high foil mufflers. They quieted down a little bit. Actually, I think honestly they just reduced the drone. Like, to be honest.
For the most part.
For the most part.
There was quite a bit of drone.
There was quite a bit of drone.
Look at that.
No tips.
No tips. Just fun. We got cats. Can't see them. And then boom, X pipe. And then whoop-a, nothing. Yeah.
Beautiful day for this.
Nice peaceful day. And there's this. We should definitely pull this out first. Yeah, so we don't go deaf. Yeah, that's insane. Holy. All right, I was told to give a wee bit of juice in this. Look at that 6-speed. Okay, that's insane.
It like shakes the whole car.
It does, yeah.
This is the worst idea, but the best idea I've ever had.
Yeah, that was with the windows up.
It's a wee bit loud.
Just a little loud, not much. All right, we're gonna make our neighbors mad, so